Good evening, students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's discussion will be on a new chapter, that is fundamental operations. Operations means there are total 4 operations. One is addition, one subtraction, one is division, and another one is multiplication. So all total there are 4 operations or 4 mathematical operations. So we will discuss about their working and how they are added, how they are subtracted, or how they are divided and multiplied in this total chapter. So first exercise, only this exercise, that is 19a, only addition and subtraction will be discussed, and consecutively in the next exercise division and multiplication will be discussed. So in this session we will discuss only about addition and subtraction, followed by in the next session division and multiplication. Clear? So all total there are 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So first we would know like terms, what are like terms and what are unlike terms. What are like terms and what are unlike terms? Now when both the terms having the same coefficient, then they are said to be like terms. When both the terms having the same coefficient, then they are termed as like terms. Same coefficient means, suppose the one term is 3x and another term is 8x. That means here coefficient of 3 is x and coefficient 8 is x. So both are same coefficient. That means they are like terms. Consequently, suppose 3x square y and 6x square y. Here coefficient of 3 is x square y, coefficient of 6 is x square y. That means coefficients are same. That means they are like terms. Suppose one is 6ab and another one is minus 7b. Here also coefficient of 6 is ab and coefficient of minus 7 is ba. So here both terms are same. Both coefficients are same. That means they are like terms. ab and ba both are same, because ab means a into b and ba means b into a. So both are same. ab and ba both are same. That means they are like terms. So coefficients are same. If coefficient of 2 terms or more than 2 terms are same, then they are termed as like terms. And coming to unlike terms, when coefficients of both terms are different, then they are said to be unlike terms. When coefficients are different, that means suppose one term is 3y square x and another term is 4x square y. Here both the coefficients are same, because this is y square x and this is x square y. That means they are not same, they are different. That means they are unlike terms. More examples. Suppose one is 4x and another one is 6y. Here also both the coefficients are different. One coefficient is x, another coefficient is y. So both are different. Suppose one term is 4y square m, another term is 6y to the power 3m. Here also both the coefficients are different. Here coefficient of 4 is y square m, here coefficient of 6 is y to the power 3m. Here also both the coefficients are different. That means they are unlike terms. That means if we sum up, in case of like terms, coefficients should be same. In case of unlike terms, coefficient should be different. Next. So these are about like terms and unlike terms. Now when both the like terms are added, then only we can write the product. That means both the terms, if we add, both the terms should be like terms. If we add, both the terms should be like terms. That means we can add 3x plus 4x. We can add 7y square x plus suppose 6y square x. We can add 7ab plus 4ba, because both of them are like terms. Because here coefficient of 3 is x, coefficient of 4 is x. So both coefficients are same, they are like terms. Here also both the coefficients are same, they are like terms. Here also AB, here also BA, both the coefficients are same. That means they are like terms. That means like terms are added. And unlike terms we cannot add. Suppose in this term I am putting square over here. In this term I am putting to the power 3 over here, and in this term suppose I am putting to the power 3 over here. Now these 3 these three pairs are not like terms anymore. They are unlike terms. Now these three pairs we cannot add because these three becomes now unlike terms. That means in a short, like terms are added and unlike terms we cannot add. Clear? And the rule of subtraction is also same. We can subtract like terms, we can subtract like terms, we cannot subtract unlike terms. That means in case of addition and subtraction only we can operate like terms. That means if both the terms are like, then only we can add or we can subtract. If both the terms are not like, that means if they are unlike, we cannot add and we cannot subtract. Clear? So this is the concept. Based on this concept we will solve the questions of this exercise. Now directly come to exercise. First question is 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is easy, it is 9, and 5x plus 4x. Look at this. Here coefficient of 5 is x, coefficient of 4 is x. That means both the coefficients are same. If both the coefficients are same, we can easily add. That means 5 plus 4, it is 9, and x, that is 9x. 7 plus 16, this is 23. 7 plus 16, this is 23. That means 7a plus 16b. Look at this. Here coefficient of 7 is a, here coefficient of 16 is b. That means both of these are not same. That means they are unlike terms. So we cannot add this. We will write only 7a plus 16b. That means we cannot add. We cannot add 7a to 16b because both of them are unlike terms. Here coefficient of 7 is a, here coefficient of 16 is b. That means coefficients are not same. That means we cannot add these two. So we will write as it is. That is 7a plus 16b. Next 35 plus 16. 35 minus 16. If we subtract, that means 9, 15 to 1. This is 19. This is 19. Next 35 AB minus BA. Now see, coefficient of 35 is AB and coefficient of 16 is also BA. That means AB and BA both are same because AB means A into B, BA means also B into A. That means both are same. So here coefficients are same. That means they are like terms, so we can operate. So 35 minus 16 gives you 19. So it is 19 and AB. So you can write AB or you can write BA also. You can write AB or you can write 19BA also. Both of them are correct. Both of these are correct. Whether is 19AB or 19BA. Both of these are correct. Yeah. Next 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 gives you 3. And 7AB minus SC. Here coefficient is AB. Here also coefficient is AB. That means both are same. So 7 minus 4 3 and AB is AB. 7AB minus 4AB equal to 3AB. Clear? So next question number 2. Fill in the blanks. Now before going these questions, before solving these questions, write one rule of fundamental operations apart from like terms and unlike terms. The rule is when both the operations are plus, when both the operation is plus, then we will add. Then the resultant operation will be plus. When both the operation is plus, then the resultant operation will be plus. When both the operation is minus, the resultant operation will be plus also. When one operation is plus, one operation is minus, then the resultant operation will be minus. Also, when one operation is minus, one operation is plus, then the resultant operation will be minus. Just note it down in your copy. When both the operation is plus, the resultant operation will be plus. When both the operation is minus, the resultant operation will be plus also. When one operation is plus and second operation is minus, then the resultant operation will be minus. And when both operation is minus and plus, that means first operation is minus and the second operation is plus, then also the resultant operation will be minus. Clear? So based on this concept, we will solve the questions from part 2. So first question is the sum of minus 2 and minus 5. The sum of minus 2 and minus 5. That means the sum of minus 2 and minus 5. So minus 2 is one term and minus 5 is one term, and we have to sum these two numbers. That means sum. So see, minus 2 and plus and minus. So if one operation is plus and second operation is minus, then resultant operation is plus minus minus. That means plus and minus becomes minus and minus 5. Clear? When here see, one operation is plus and the second operation is minus. So when one operation is plus and the second operation is minus, then the resultant operation is minus. So we will write minus here. Now see, here both the operation is minus. So when both the operation is minus, the resultant operation is plus. See, when both the operation is minus, the resultant operation is plus. That means we will add 2 plus 5, it is 7. Clear? Now see, after adding, just see the sign before the bigger number. After adding, just see the sign before the bigger number. So here between 2 and 5, the bigger number is 5. So the sign before bigger number is minus. That means we will write minus. I am repeating again. So minus 2 and minus 5, we have to add these two. So just put in bracket minus 2 and minus 5 and then write a plus sign between them. Now if we open the bracket, plus and minus, one operation is plus and the second operation is minus. So when one is plus and the second one is minus, the resultant operation is minus. So we will write minus here and 5 and the bracket will eliminate. Next, the 2 operation is minus. When 2 operation is minus, the resultant operation is plus. That means we will add this 5 and 2 as the resultant operation is plus. So we will add these 2. So 5 plus 2 becomes 7. And after adding, just see the sign before the bigger number. We have to check the sign before the bigger number. So between 5 and 2, the bigger number is 5. And the sign before the bigger number, that means the sign before 5 is minus. So we will write minus. That means we have to write the sign before the bigger number. Clear? So it is minus 7. That means it is minus 7. Next, the sum of minus 2x and minus 5x. Minus 2x and minus 5x. So minus 2x, just put it in bracket, and minus 5x. So same, just here coefficient x is multiplied. That means minus 2x plus and minus, same, it is minus. Next, as both the coefficient is same, here see, here coefficient is x, here also coefficient is x. So both coefficient is same. That means we can easily add or we can subtract. That means we can, between like terms, we can add, we can subtract. But in case of unlike terms, we cannot add, we cannot subtract. That means here also minus 2, minus 5, if minus 2 and minus 5 is 7, then minus 2x minus 5x will be minus 7x. So it is minus 7x. Next, the sum of minus 15 and minus 4. So minus 15, put it in bracket, and minus 4, put it in bracket, and we have to add these two. The same concept, just eliminate bracket first. It is minus 15 and plus minus. One operation is plus and second operation is minus. So plus and minus, the resultant is minus. So we will write minus and the bracket will eliminate. Now both the operation is minus. When both the operation is minus, the resultant operation is plus. That means we will plus these two numbers. Then 15 plus 4, it is 19. Now check the sign before the bigger number. So between 15 and 4, bigger number is 15. So the sign before bigger number is minus. So we will write minus here. That means it is minus 19. It is minus 19. Now the sum of minus 15x and minus 4y. So minus 15x, just put it in bracket, plus minus 4y. Now eliminate bracket. Minus 15x plus and minus. So plus and minus becomes minus. So it is minus 4y. Now see here coefficient is x, here coefficient is y. That means both the coefficients are different. That means we cannot add and we cannot subtract because these are unlike terms. Clear? So we will write as it is. That means minus 15x minus 4y. This is the answer. Minus 15x minus 4y. Clear? Next. Next 25 minus 7 minus 9. So 25 minus 7 minus 9. So there are three numbers. So at first take two numbers. Take two numbers first. So 25 minus 7. 25 minus 7 is 80 and this is the third number. So 18 minus 9 is 9. That means it is 9. Clear? Next it is 25 given, it is 25xy. 25xy minus 7xy minus 9yx. Now same procedure, take two numbers first. So 25, now see here it is xy coefficient, here it is xy coefficient. So both the coefficients are same. That means we can easily subtract. So 25 minus 7 was 18 and it is xy. So write the coefficient after 18. Third term is minus 9yx. See, so if xy is a coefficient and yx both are same, xy and yx both are same, so we can easily operate 18 minus 9, it is 9 and xy. You can write 9xy or you can write 9yx also. You can write 9xy or you can write 9yx also. Both are correct. 9xy, or you can write 9yx. That means 25xy minus 7xy, there is 18xy minus 9yx. So both the coefficients are same. It is xy, it is yx. So xy means x into y, yx means y into x. Both the coefficients are same, because suppose xy and it is yx. Suppose x is 5 and y is 3, so it is 5 into 3. Now here y is 3, x is 5, it is 5. So 5 into 3, 15, 3 into 5 also 15. That means both of them are same. They are not different. That means you can write 9xy or you can write 9yx. Clear? Next, question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3, we have to add the three terms, that is 2xyz. So write first 2xyz, then xyz, xyz, and 6xyz. So here it is 2xyz, then xyz, and after it's 6xyz. Clear? Now see, here coefficients are same. Here xyz, 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 both of them their coefficients are same. That means we can easily add. So 2 and 6, 8, 8 and 1s are 9 xyz, because here only xyz is present. So if there is no number, consider 1 as a number. Clear? Because here coefficient is 2. Here if we consider the coefficient of xyz, here xyz coefficient is 2, here also the coefficient of xyz is 6, but here no number is present. That means we consider only 1 here. That means 2, 6, 8, 8 1s and 9. So 9 xyz is the answer. Next, question number 5. Question number 5, 5m plus 3n plus 4p. Now see, here coefficient 1 is 5, coefficient is m, coefficient is n, and coefficient is p. The three coefficients are different. Three coefficients are different. That means these three are unlike terms. That means we cannot add these three. So we will write as it is, 5m plus 3n plus 4p. As the three terms are not like terms, that means they are unlike terms, we cannot add these three terms. So it is 5m plus 3n plus 4p. Next, question 9. 50 pq plus 30 pq plus 10 pq. Here coefficient of 50 is pq, here also coefficient of 30 is pq, here also coefficient of 10 is pq. That means these three are like terms, coefficients are same, so we can easily add 50, 30, 80, 80, 10s and 90. So 90 pq is the answer. 50, 30, 80, 80 and 10, 90. So 90 pq is the answer. Next, question number 30. Minus 2c, just put it in bracket as minus signs are given, plus minus c plus minus 5c. These are terms as minus signs are given, so we have to put it in bracket. Now eliminate bracket first. Minus 2c. Now plus and minus. Here see, plus and minus becomes minus, so write minus c. Also plus and minus. Now plus and minus becomes minus, so write minus 5c. Now take two terms first, that is minus 2c and minus c. Now see, here also coefficient is c, here also coefficient is c. That means both the coefficient is same. That means they are like terms. That means we can easily operate. So here coefficient of c is 2. Here coefficient of c is not given. That means if not given, consider it as 1. Consider it as 1. That means both are minus. So if both are minus, the resultant is plus. That means we can add 2 and 1. So it gives you 3 and c. Now check the sign before bigger number. So between 2 and 1, bigger number is 2. So sign before bigger number is minus. So we will put minus here. And the third term is minus 5c. Just write minus 5c. Now here also both of them are minus. So if both of the sign is minus, resultant is plus. So we will plus 3 and 5. That means it is 8c. And check the sign before bigger number. So before bigger number between 5 and 3 is 5. The sign before 5 is minus. So we will put minus here. So minus 8c. So minus 8c is the answer. Clear? Next, question number 3 complete. Moving to question 4. First question, 6a minus a. 6a minus 5a minus 2a. Now take two numbers first. So here also coefficient of a is not given, so consider it as 1. So coefficient is a, that means both the coefficients are same, so we can easily subtract. So 6 minus 1 is 5 and coefficient a is a. Now write the remaining terms. Now 5a minus 5a, you see both of the terms is same. That means if we subtract both like terms, the answer is 0. If we subtract both the like terms, the answer is 0. That means it is 0. It is minus 2a, because here the first term is 5a, also the second term is 5a. That means both are the same terms. Both the terms are same. So if we subtract both like terms, or if we subtract the same numbers, because 5a is same, here also 5a, it is same. If we subtract both the same numbers, the answer is 0. So it is 5a, both the terms are same. If we subtract both same numbers, or the answer is 0. That means 0 minus 2a. So 0 minus 2a gives you minus 2a. So minus 2a is the answer. Next. Question number 5. Question number 4. Question number 5. 5 number 8x minus 5y minus 3x plus 10y. Now see here, coefficient of a coefficient is x. Here also coefficient of x is x. Coefficient of 3 is x. So both the same coefficient. So we will just arrange the same coefficients on same side. So 8x minus 3x, and this is 5y, this is 10y. Now see, the same coefficients are arranged properly. Now here coefficient is x, coefficient is x. So coefficients are same, we can easily subtract. So 8 minus 3 is 5 and it is x. Now it is 5y, it is plus 10y. Now 5x, just write 5x here. Now see, it is y, it is also y. That means coefficient is y, coefficient is also y. So coefficients are same, we can easily operate. Now see here, one is minus sign and one is plus sign. One is minus sign and one is plus sign. So resultant is between minus and plus, resultant is minus. That means if we minus 10 and 5, it is 5 and y. Clear? I am repeating again. One sign is minus and one sign is plus. So if one sign is minus and one sign is plus, the resultant sign is minus. That means we will minus 10 and 5. That means we will minus 5 from 10. So it will give you 5 and coefficient of y is y. Now check between 5 and 10 which number is bigger, because we have to put a sign before bigger number. So between 5 and 10, bigger number is 10 and the sign before bigger number is plus. So we will write plus. That means 5x plus 5y, it is the answer. Also we can take 5 common and write like this. You can take 5 common and write like this. So it is all. So this is the answer. This is the answer. Next. Next question. Question number 5.3. Question number 5.3. Question is minus 8a minus 3a plus 12a plus 13a minus 6a. See? Clear? Now take two numbers first. Take two numbers. You can take two numbers, that is minus 8a and minus 3a, or you can arrange these numbers, arrange these terms according to order. That means you can arrange the positive term first, then the negative terms, because positive term will operate first, then positive term will operate first before negative terms. That is the rule of Bodmas rule. So using that rule you can easily solve this question. So positive terms, this is the positive terms, 12a and 13a, this is the positive terms. So just write positive terms first followed by negative terms. That means minus 8a minus 3a minus 6a. Now take two terms first. Both of the coefficients are same, so we can easily add. So 12 plus 13, this is 25a. Just write the remaining terms. Now take two terms again. So 25 minus 8, it is 17. So 17a write the remaining terms, take two terms again. So for 17 minus 13, 14a minus 6a, then 14a minus 6a gives you 8a. Here coefficients are same, both the coefficients, all the coefficients are a actually, all the coefficients are a, that means we can easily add or we can easily subtract. Clear? So just arrange properly. First positive terms first, followed by the remaining terms. So 12a plus 13a, that is positive terms, so it is 25a. 25a minus 8a, that is 17a. 17a minus 3a gives you 14a. 14a minus 6a gives you 8a. So 8a is the final answer. Next. Next question, question number 7. 7 questions simplify. Question number 2. Question number 2 is 4a plus 3b minus 2a minus b. That's it. 4a plus 3b minus 2a minus b. Now see here, one coefficient is a and another coefficient is b. So arrange it properly. Arrange first these terms properly. So here coefficient is a, here also coefficient is a. So we will arrange this properly. The same coefficients we will write first, followed by 3b minus b. So here the coefficients are same, so we can easily subtract. So 4 minus 2 is 2, so 2a, plus here also coefficient is b, coefficient is b, so both the coefficients are same. Coefficient of b is 3. Here coefficient of b is not given, so when coefficient is not given, just consider 1 it as coefficient. So 3 minus 1 is 2 and b, that is 2b. So take out 2 as common, so 2a plus b is the answer. So 4a minus 2a gives you 2a and 3b minus b gives you 2b. Then take 2 as a common, so a plus b. This is the answer. Next question. Next question number 5. Question number 5 is 6a square minus 3b square plus 2a square plus 5b square minus 4a square. So question is 6a square minus 3b square plus 2a square plus 5b square minus 4a square. Now here also we will arrange the terms properly according to coefficient. So coefficient a square, coefficient a square, coefficient a square. So same coefficients are arranged at once. 6a square plus 2a square minus 4a square. Then it is minus 3b square, so minus 3b square. Here also same coefficient, so 5 plus 5b square plus 5b square. So all the terms are properly arranged according to their coefficient. So 6a square plus 2a square minus 4a square, then minus 3b square plus 5b square. So take two term first. So coefficients are same, so 6 2s are 8, so 8a square minus 4a square. And write the remaining terms as it is. Now 8a square minus 4a square gives you 4a square, because 8 minus 4 is 4. Now write the remaining terms as it is. Next 4a square minus. So now see here, one is minus sign, one is plus sign. So if one is minus, one is plus, the resultant is minus. That means we will minus 3 from 5. So if we subtract 3 from 5, it is 2. So 2b square. Now check the sign before bigger number. So between 3 and 5, bigger number is 5. And the sign before bigger number is plus, so we'll write plus. So 4a square plus 2b square is the answer. Now also you can take 2 as a common, so it is 2a square plus b square. You can write this also. So you take out 2 as common, so 2a square, that means 4a square plus 2b square. This is the answer. So 6a square plus 2a square gives you 8a square. 8a square minus 4a square gives you 4a square. Finally minus 3b square plus 5b square gives you 2b square plus 2b square. So 4a square plus 2b square, that is the answer. So take 2 as a common, then it is the final answer. Next. Next question number 8. Question number 8 is 13pqr plus 2p plus 4q minus 6pqr, and there was mistakenly erased this. So just see the term. So the term is plus 5pqr plus 5pqr plus 5pqr. So just first arrange the terms properly according to their coefficient. So coefficient is pqr, coefficient is pqr, coefficient is pqr. So coefficients are same, so arrange these terms first. 13pqr minus 6 pqr plus 5 pqr, and write the remaining terms, that is 2p plus 4q. Now 13 pqr, take 2 term as common, 13 minus 6, so it is 7, so 7 pqr, then write the remaining terms, then 7 plus 5, that is 12, so 12 pqr plus 2p plus 4q. Now these three cannot be added, because here coefficient is pqr, here coefficient is p, here coefficient is q, so three coefficients are different, that means they are unlike terms, so we should stop it right here. That is your answer. Clear? So 13 pqr, this is minus 6 pqr, so 13 minus 6 gives you 7 pqr plus 5 pqr, so 12 pqr, and this is 2p plus 4q. Consequently, you can also do this, just this is 5 pqr, so you can also write 5 pqr here, you can also write 5 pqr here, then you can write minus, this is also correct, minus 6 pqr, you can also do like this. So 13 plus 5 will be 18 pqr, that means it will be 18 pqr, and here minus 6 pqr, here it is minus 6, that means 18 minus 6, 12 pqr. So both of these are correct. So final answer will be 12 pqr plus 2p plus 4q. Clear? Next question number 9, last question of this exercise, question number 9, that is 4ab plus 0 minus 2ba. So 4ab, so here coefficient is ab, here also coefficient is ba, but if we arrange this, then it will be 4ab minus 2ba plus 0. Clear? But we cannot arrange this consequence, because here just it is plus and it is minus, so according to Bodmas rule, only addition will operate first before subtraction. That means we cannot arrange these terms like this. That means the term that is given, that is 4ab plus 0 minus 2ba, it is the proper arrangement. So just add the two terms first, 4ab plus 0. So whenever 0 is added to any number, the answer is that number itself. That means if we add 0 plus 4ab, then 4ab will be the answer, minus 2ba. 4ab minus 2ba. So that means it will be the coefficient of ab, coefficient ba, both are same, so you can write 2ab or you can write 2ba. Both of these are correct. Clear? So if we add 0 to any number or any term, the answer is that term itself. So 4ab is the answer, minus 2ba, so 4ab minus 2ba is the 2ab. 2ab is the final answer, or 2ba is the final answer. Clear? That's it. So the exercise is complete. In the next session, we will solve the next exercise. So thank you.